Look no further than the 2017 BMW X6. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The X6 Sports Activity Coupe commanding presence demands respect. Its customizable driving modes and agile, sporty handling defy convention, while its cutting-edge technology keeps you safe and connected wherever you roam. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, head-up display, wireless charging station, sun, moonroof, navigation system, hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, all-wheel drive. Master the art of perfection. Drive the X6.